I'm Victor. Today we'll explore the various holidays taking place on April 21st. Prepare to have fun with loved ones or simply relax on your own. Happy birthday to those celebrating today. You might discover a holiday below that's perfect for your special day. National Bulldogs Are Beautiful Day. National Bulldogs Are Beautiful Day is celebrated on April 21st each year in the United States. The day is a celebration of bulldogs, a beloved breed of dog known for their distinctive wrinkled faces and friendly personalities. Bulldogs are known for their loyal and affectionate nature, and they make wonderful companions for people of all ages. By celebrating National Bulldogs Are Beautiful Day, we can show our appreciation for these wonderful dogs and promote greater awareness and understanding of their needs and care. National Kindergarten Day. National Kindergarten Day is celebrated on April 21st each year in the United States. The day is a celebration of the importance of early childhood education and the critical role that kindergarten plays in the development of young children. On National Kindergarten Day, people celebrate by recognizing the hard work and dedication of kindergarten teachers, and by promoting awareness of the benefits of early childhood education. Many schools and educational organizations hold events or activities to mark the day, such as open houses, story times, or parent-teacher conferences. It is also an opportunity to raise awareness about the need for equitable access to high-quality kindergarten programs for all children. While National Kindergarten Day may not be a widely recognized holiday, it is an important reminder of the vital role that early childhood education plays in shaping the lives of young children. Kindergarten is often a child's first experience with formal education, and it can have a lasting impact on their academic and social development. By celebrating National Kindergarten Day, we can recognize the important work of kindergarten teachers and promote greater awareness of the need for high-quality early childhood education programs for all children. National Tea Day. National Tea Day is celebrated on April 21st in the United Kingdom. The day is a celebration of tea, a beloved beverage that is enjoyed by millions of people around the world. On National Tea Day, people celebrate by hosting tea parties, enjoying a cup of their favorite tea, or learning about the history and culture of tea. Many tea shops and cafes offer special deals or promotions on National Tea Day, while others hold tea tastings or workshops. National Tea Day is also an opportunity to raise awareness about the health benefits of tea, which has been shown to have a range of benefits, including boosting the immune system, reducing stress, and improving digestion. While National Tea Day may not be a widely recognized holiday, it is an important reminder of the cultural and historical significance of tea and its role in bringing people together. Tea is a beverage that has been enjoyed for centuries, and it continues to be a beloved part of daily life for millions of people around the world. National Pet CBD Day. National Pet CBD Day is celebrated on April 20th each year in the United States. The day is a celebration of CBD, a non-psychoactive compound found in hemp and cannabis plants, and its benefits for pets. On National Pet CBD Day, people celebrate by learning more about CBD and its potential benefits for pets. Many pet stores and online retailers offer special deals or promotions on CBD products, while others host educational events or webinars to help pet owners better understand the science and benefits of CBD. CBD has been shown to have a range of potential benefits for pets, including reducing anxiety, improving joint mobility, and promoting overall health and wellness. While CBD is not a cure-all and should always be used in consultation with a veterinarian, it has become a popular supplement for pets in recent years. National Chocolate-Covered Cashews Day. National Chocolate-Covered Cashews Day is celebrated on April 21st each year in the United States. The day is a celebration of the delicious combination of chocolate and cashews, a popular snack that is enjoyed by people of all ages. On National Chocolate-Covered Cashews Day, people celebrate by enjoying this tasty treat or by making their own chocolate-covered cashews at home. Many chocolatiers and specialty food stores offer special deals or promotions on chocolate-covered cashews, while others hold tastings or cooking classes. Chocolate-covered cashews are a popular snack that combines the rich, creamy flavor of chocolate with the crunchy, nutty taste of cashews. They are often enjoyed as a sweet and satisfying treat, and they also make a great gift or party favor. That's it for today, and have a fantastic time celebrating.